Keep Right with Ralph K. Ginorio. Justice deferred is justice denied. The dark agents of politicized justice plan to keep blackmail over President Trump's head for the next 4 years. In New York, Judge Juan Merchan and District Attorney Alvin Bragg have suspended all cases involving Donald J. Trump until he is out of office. By some, bizarrely including a few of Trump's attorneys, this is considered to be a victory for the president-elect. To me, this is no victory. Suspended cases defer all judgments until after Trump's second term. The old axiom states that justice deferred is justice denied. Placing all of these cases in stasis is akin to suspending a proverbial sword of Damocles over Trump's head. This grants leverage to those actors against Trump. They can reward or punish him after his second term, depending on how they might agree or disagree with his decisions. Bragg, Merchan, and others could communicate threats or offer rewards to the president in advance of major Trump policy decisions. In any other circumstance, employing such pressure would be called extortion. Whether or not it is likely that Trump can be threatened or bribed in such a fashion, and I don't think he can, is irrelevant. No one should be permitted to hold such power over any elected official, let alone the leader of the free world. Suspension also preserves these illegitimate proceedings and their corrupted outcomes from any fair appeals process. The outlandish eccentricities of Merchan's trial rulings deserve to be reviewed by an appeals court. If, as seems to me, all of these proceedings were politically compromised, then all resulting rulings should be voided. A fair reassessment cannot happen if Trump's cases are frozen. Trump will endure his second term under the same type of shadow that the bogus Russia collusion hoax cast over his first term. Either the attempted lawfare against Trump was some kind of legitimate application of legal power in defense of the principle of equality under the law, or these show trials constitute the worst legal abuse in American history since the Salem witch trials. The truth of all of this will only be revealed under appeal. Both the second Trump presidency and the American people deserve better than that. Clear resolution needs to be sought and achieved, hopefully in such a fashion as to deter any future efforts to criminalize political opposition. Our elected officials should never again be allowed to pursue their political opponents through judicial means. No one should ever again be persecuted by legal attacks originating from the incumbent that they intend to run against. Lawsuits should never be prosecuted to prevent any citizen from pursuing elected office. Far from being allowed to hold a threat over Trump's head, the perpetrators of Biden-Harris-era lawfare deserve to be utterly disgraced. For the sake of the nation, and in the name of any objective concept of true justice, let this happen sooner than later.